You know that feeling when you think you've left your biggest problem behind, only to land in a new just as messy. That's Jackie Howard's life, losing everything, moving to Silver Falls, and getting caught in not one but two Walter Boys drama. You're watching Screen Explain TV, where the screen speaks and we explain. So here's where things stand. Jackie had it all in New York: family, comfort, a clear future. But when tragedy struck, she moved to Silver Falls to live with Catherine Walter and her enormous family. The Walter house, far more from peaceful. It's messy, it's loud, and full of personalities clashing at every turn. And at the heart of it, Jackie finding herself torn between Alex and Cole. Two brothers with completely opposite energies. Alex dependable and steady, Cole mysterious and magnetic. Season 1 gave us heartbreak, awkward confessions, shifting loyalties, and of course, the cliffhangers that left fans yelling at the screens. Season 2 pushed everything even further. Jackie returned to Silver Falls, still trying to balance who she was in New York and with who she's becoming in Colorado. The love triangle burned hotter, Alex opening his heart, Cole pulling Jackie closer, and Jackie caught in between. And then that huge ending. Jackie confessed she loved Cole, Alex overheard, and in the middle of it all, George Walter collapsed. That finale left emotions raw and questions wide open for Season 3. Here's what confirmed. Season 3 is happening and it's already in the motion, which means more Silver Falls drama, more Jackie torn between two worlds, and more Walter family storylines taking center stage. This time, though, it's not just about the romance, it's about what kind of future Jackie wants for herself. Will she finally make a choice between Alex and Cole? Or will she surprise everyone and focus on her own path instead of picking either brother? That's the debate fans are having non-stop. But the romance isn't the only story fans want to see. Grace and Jackie's friendship has become a real highlight. And many viewers are hoping Season 3 explores those bonds outside the love triangle. Others want the older Walter siblings to shine more. Will and Haley's relationship, Tara and Richard's struggles, even how the younger kids adapt to all the changes. The series has such a huge family cast, and giving everyone their moment could make the story feel even richer. There's also the question of George Walter's health. His collapse wasn't just a shocking moment, it was a reminder that the Walter family is fragile beneath the chaos. Season 3 could explore how the kids rally together, how Catherine handles the pressure, and whether the family dynamic changes forever. Fans are speculating that Georgie's condition could either pull Jackie deeper into the Walters world or push her to rethink where she belongs to. And then, of course, the triangle. Fans are split. Team Alex versus Team Cole is a battle in the comments section. Some believe Jackie's love for Cole is endgame, but others argue Alex's quiet stability is what she truly needs. And here's the fun part. The show doesn't always follow the book exactly, which means Season 3 could flip expectations and surprise everyone. Will the writers give fans what they expect or take us in a new direction entirely? So, what do you think? Will Jackie finally choose? Will the Walter family come together or break apart under the weight of secrets and heartbreak? Or will a completely new character shake up the balance in Silver Falls? Drop your theory below, because the conversation around this show is just as intense as the drama on the screen. And hey, if you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of My Life with the Walter Boys, hit the like button, tap the subscribe one, and join the conversations. Share this with your Team Alex and Team Cole friends, and let's settle this debate together. Until next time, keep your hearts ready, your theories wild, and remember, in Silver Falls, nothing stays calm for long.